Would you please? That would be a great help.
I would like to start by saying that we have a constitution for the state of California, and the official language in this constitution is English.
Amen.
English. That is the official language.
Yes. That's right.
Also, I just bought this sign today. It's a beautiful sign, and it says, "Home of the free, because of the brave." The men and women who fought for our freedoms and our rights are being disgraced because we have people coming into our country. We have a constitution for the United States of America. This is my city, this is my state, and this is my country, the United States of America, and I love it. And I will fight to make sure that nobody comes to our country illegally and disobeys our laws, because we all suffer consequences because of what they do. They murder our citizens. The Remembrance Project officially lists a number of American citizens who have been murdered by illegals, either by driving, drinking, or whatever method they use, even weapons. It's important that we, as American citizens, obey the law and have them obey the laws, or have them deported or self-deport. Also, local officials on the local, state, and federal level
30 seconds.
should not be promoting illegal immigration. Kevin DeLeon, Governor Brown, all these individuals, DeLeon, Newsom, all these Democrats who are promoting illegal immigration should be behind bars, because they are violating our constitutions for the state of California and the state and the United States of America. Please vote no, vote yes on this resolution that you propose. We need to stop illegal immigration. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. After Ruth, the next speaker would be Lenore Ferris. If you could come up to the speaker. Ruth, it's all yours.
Okay, I'm going to shoot from the hip and try to make it as fast as I can. Thank you, Mr. Mayor, Mayor Pro Tem, and City Council members. My name is Ruth Cordova. I am a Latina, a United States citizen, and a mother of a veteran of the Armed Forces, the United States Air Force of 18 years, who has served 6 to 8 deployments. He's dedicated his life to God and country, and our Constitution, and the American flag. I'd like to get something straight as I'm picking something up here. This is not an illegal documentation issue. This is a constitutional issue. This is a federal law issue. And you public officials pose a legal duty and obligation to protect the people of the state, and which includes federal agents. The failure to comply to that oath and the failure to comply to federal law imposes criminal prosecution, civil litigation, and in the furtherance of wrongful death, any wrongful death imposed upon the federal agents and the community at large. We, the people, the patriots, come before you all, and we plead today, here, tonight, that you adopt a resolution so as to declare the town of Apple Valley a rule of law city. And in no way, shape, or form should any one of you public officials violate your oath of office unto the United States Constitution.
30 seconds.
Our men and women in the armed forces who have returned home covered in the American flag will not and shall not die in vain. God bless America. God bless our American flag. God bless our law enforcement personnel. And God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you. Ms. Ferris is next. After that will be Deanne Deline.
Sorry.
Thank you.
And came here 60 years ago, legally, to this country.
We need to turn your mic on.
Thank you, Lavonda.
We'll give it a try.
Well, go over there.
Is Is that one not gonna work? Okay, we're good.
Okay. All right, so like I said, my name is Lenore Ferris, I live in Pinenville. I came here 60 years ago, legally to this country. I love the American flag, and I obey all the laws. I never collect welfare. I'm a mother of 5. I was single parent. I raised my kids. I worked day in, day out for those children. Did everything that I could to raise those 5 kids. I only collect welfare, food stamps 1 month. And I work hard. My kids are grown up, beautiful children. My grandson was killed by an illegal immigrant 4 years ago. I didn't know what MS-13 was at that time. Now I know what it is. They killed my son because of the spot they killed my son in Vegas and First Street. They dumped it over the bridge. Okay? And it says right there, MS-13. At that time, I didn't know what MS-13 was. Every time I talk about it, they never solved the problem. Those people are running around free. And I'm here. We don't have any answers from the police. They don't know anything about it. They say that it's something, he did something, you know, that he committed suicide. He did not commit suicide. He bought a TV the day before, but brand new tennis shoes to commit suicide? No, he did not. And I pay my taxes, I obey the law, and always, I love United States. I left
30 seconds.
back in my country, and I honor and respect the laws of the United States. God bless America, and make California great again. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ferris. Thank you, Mr. Ferris, for your passion. Deanne, the next one to speak after that will be Aurora.
I live in, my house is in Victorville, but I live with my daughter in Apple Valley and trying to stay in Apple Valley. We have a revolution going on right now, and we the people will not hesitate any longer. We won't be silent any longer. We are speaking up. The USA Constitution is on our side. Why? Because we follow its laws. The FBI spied on Trump's campaign and his presidency. Congress is a group who is supposed to investigate what the president or others are doing, not the FBI. Dems used a paid for fake dossier by an Englishman to fool the FISA courts. Dems lied to the FISA judges. They had no evidence. They listened to gossip. We here in America need to follow the Constitution. You, councilmen, need to follow the Constitution and don't wimp out. Moonbeam cannot sue you because it's against the law what he's doing. And our Constitution will be on your side.
30 seconds.
God bless America, God bless Israel, and God bless the City Council. Thank you.
Amen.
Thank you very much. Deanne, I didn't get what city you were from.
Apple Valley.
Apple Valley, thank you so much. Harrower is next. Oh, Youngwood. And after that will be Bill Kesler.
Keysar.
Thank you, Bill.
Was that number 4?
No.
Good evening. My name is Candy Harrower. I'm a resident of Phelan and a 24-year resident of the High Desert. Thank you for the opportunity to speak to you all this evening. And there's a few things that I would like to point out. And what has already been said is, yes, this is a constitutional issue. It's not just a state or a local town issue. We, we all work hard, we pay our taxes, and we have the right to be represented by the people that we choose. We're citizens, and we have earned the rights to speak and to be involved in our government and representation. I just wanted to point out that on March 25th, 2006, there was a big march or protest in LA about illegal immigrants. They wanted us to know that, the citizens to know that how much we depend on them by doing jobs and things that nobody else wants. Well, what they actually proved to the community back then, which is still true today, that they are a drain on society.
30 seconds.
Okay, during that march, crime was down, there was no traffic, I mean, everything, the citizens were able to get the services they need, and we've earned by paying our taxes and working hard. These things weren't given to us, and these things shouldn't be given to people that are not citizens. I urge these people that want to stay here to do so legally. But until then, you need to uphold the law.
Time.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Bill? Anybody been me, sir?
Back up.
Can you hear me okay? Okay. According to what I read on the internet, murder is the unlawful, premeditated killing of one human being by another. Since September 11, 2001, over 61,000 of our fellow Americans have been killed by illegal aliens, mostly from across our border with Mexico. Many of those killed have been the victims of first-degree murder. This sadly would include a number of our heroes of law enforcement. It also includes victims of auto accidents, drunk driving, an issue here often. There are many cases of manslaughter. The unfortunate Kate Steinle, I think, is a very good example. May she rest in peace. I will never be able to understand how Governor Brown and State Attorney General Xavier Becerra can be so blind to this terrible tragedy. Many of our citizens who have lost friends and loved ones have got to be frustrated beyond words. I thank President Trump and Attorney General Jeff Sessions for doing all they can to stop this invasion of the United States of America. To have sanctuary for illegal aliens in any way is, in my opinion, an obscenity. The people who are pushing SB 54 talk often of compassion. I have compassion for people like the angel moms of America, mothers who have had children killed by people who are illegally in this country. I say no to sanctuary states, I say no to sanctuary cities, I say no to SB 54.
30 seconds.
Deport the illegal aliens, and because of gangs like MS-13, I say deport their anchor babies. They are not covered by the 14th Amendment. Thank you, and Semper Fi.
Bill, where are you from?
Oh, I'm from Chino.
Chino, okay, thank you. Donna?
Chino. I was raised in Fontana, but
That's Chino's close enough, Fontana, I got it. Donna is our next speaker this evening. Donna's asking for moral support. Our next speaker will be Tina.
Mayor and council,